To another video. Today me and Junior will be doing a house tour. She keeps on. I'm so sorry about that, but my little sister, turn around, very slowly, was brutally murdered. Was brutally hit by the bed right there, and now she has an ice pack. Say, I don't like you, bed.
I don't like you, bed.
Yeah. Yeah. So here we have our room. You know, it's just a pretty normal room, and I'm just gonna do this stuff time. Come on, very slow. We have a mini freezer for no reason. We only had it while we were sick. When I was sick with Corona, I don't know why we still have it. And this is my bed and stuff. And here is where we were filming my last video. No, this is where I keep some of my stuffed animals for, you know, those things. I don't know. I got some drawings over there, and got some of these, some of that. This is where my shorts are. This is where my shorts are. This is where my underwear and socks are. Was that a laugh?
Oh, yeah, that is me.
Oh, and this is where my long sleeves are. And we got a little Lego set. We got a helicopter over there, and we got some more stuffed animals. All right, Jimmy, come on, let's go. And we got some of my mom's clothes. Some of these, yeah, these are my mom's clothes. I don't know what. This is Junie's dresser. Yeah, got those. Yep, we got. Okay. We got some dresses and underwear. Ow.
Sorry.
I'm okay. That doesn't really hurt. She hit me in the head by accident. We got some shirts here and some shorts. Here we got some more skirts, some long sleeve shirts and some short sleeve. And over here we got some long sleeves, sweaters.
Oh, and we got all the sweaters.
Yep. And up here is where she has some of her swimming suits or socks, and I don't know what that is.
These are my dresses. And I have some these.
All right, Junie, let's go downstairs.
Okay.
Okay, wait, hold up. We gotta show them. Okay, so here is the bathroom, the upper bathroom. Here is our laundry room. You know, we got all this normal stuff for a laundry room. Here's my basket thing. I don't understand why everybody has bigger. Mine's the shortest. There's my big brother's room, my big sister's room, my dad's closet. Alright, come on. Let's go down now. Oh yeah, this is one way to the basement, but yeah.
It's a monster room.
No, it's not a monster room. If we go to the basement and we see stairs, these are the stairs, so we can go down quickly.
No, we can't do it. Let's wait down.
Julie, if there's a tornado, we could go down there because the basement is down there. Then we'll be safe.
Listen.
But we have a bathroom. Yes.
Listen.
Come on.
Owen.
So.
Hey, Owen.
Yeah.
It's not like this in car. We can't go in there. There's monsters there in the car. Let's go upstairs in my house.
This is another door. I'm not sure I have that. Yeah. Very, very small balcony. Go slow. We don't want you getting. This is our second bathroom with a shower in it. Over here we got some medicine and pillows. That's our sister's room. I cannot show her face, because then she'll beat me up for that. We got some kitchen, obviously. Every single house has a kitchen. This is like some back doors that we keep some extra stuff out, like our camping stuff or something. Fifi. Okay, come on. We go over here. Got this little horsey. This is the dining room mixed with a toy room, basically, where we game, work on the toys. We got frog bowl. I don't know where he's in now. We got my big brother's switch case, a wallet with a credit card on it, some sunglasses, another purse, a tablecloth, some spray, and some plants. Right? So another bamboo plant right here. We got a ring over there, right there. And then over here, we got fishies here. We got the lifetime wall of my big sister. Here. There's her with her bestie, I think. I don't know. Let me try to find a picture of me. I'm somewhere in here. Searching. Aha! I found myself. I am right there. Look at my little face. Alright, Jenny, come on. Oh, that's okay. That's just,
It's for my class. It's for decoration in my class.
yeah, it's just some the TV with my parents and a dog. Which he will notice us. We got Willow right there. She's still terrible. Okay, then we got Coraline over there. She always hangs out. Then we got my school bag.
Karen, don't show us.
Stop. Junie, run! Okay, don't run. Where's your ice pack? Hold up. Alright guys, pull this up. I'm gonna try to sneak it to my little sisters. Stop, let me. Okay, here, take it.
I got it.
Wait. Okay, so go like this, right?
Okay.
Yeah, hold it. And you can put another hand right there. Boom.
Hi, can you see me? Hey, Owen.
Turn. Here, yeah. Oh, no. It's so complicated.
I told
Grab this hand. Okay.
Oh, sorry.
That was my fingers. Don't worry. Those are mine. Okay. Put it in.
Stop. Let me come here. Stay right here.
Here. Come here. Okay, this is fine. You can turn around. Very careful. Now, I'm gonna sneak through Lena's room.
Yeah. I want to see you right there. And on the horsey. Wait. Okay.
Now,
That was your fingers. Wait. Wait. Okay. Okay. Come on. Come on. Okay.
we're gonna save this for the next video.